Hey lovelies, hope you're fine. Welcome and welcome back to my kitchen by Nana. So today I'm having goat stew, and of course I know you like it, and I decided to share the video with you. So I first went to the market to buy the goat's meat and some vegetables, and I got 1 kilogram of meat. I actually got the shank, that is like the leg of the goat. Yeah, that is it. That is how it looks like. And then I washed it. You can use some lemon or vinegar, wash it very clean, and then I'm going to first boil it in salt. That is dry thyme. Then I'm also going to put some ginger and garlic, and then I'm going to boil it for about 1 hour. But this takes between 1 hour to 1.5 hours because this is like the hardest part of the goat's meat. So for the vegetables, I'm going to be using tomatoes, carrots, red onions, green peppers, garlic, spring onions, and coriander leaves. I'm actually running out of patience because it really takes some time to cook and you want it to come out very nice. So I'm just going to let it simmer on low heat after boiling for a long period of time so that all these spices infuse together to make a very nice sauce. Afterwards, separate the meat from the sauce and set it aside. We are not going to use stock in this specific recipe because we've already made our stock by boiling the goat's meat. So it is what we are going to use. Don't pour it away. It is flavored. Yeah. That's how it looks like. It's about 1.5 cups. This is how it looks like. Soft. It's actually ready. I've tested it and the salt entered the meat very well. Someone out there doesn't want to fry the meat, but my recipe says fry the meat. If you want to get the same results like the ones I got, you have to fry it. Fry it until it's golden brown on both sides. Have you tried rice and goat's meat? If no, no need to worry. I've shared a video in the description box of a very delicious goat's meat recipe with rice. You can check it out and watch it. Trust me, the results are very good. So I haven't added salt because I boiled the meat in salt, and then I've added 2 cubes of bouillon and also the soy sauce. So normal salt, that's enough. So first add like 1/2 cup of the sauce or the stock to the pan and mix everything together. Then we are going to add the 1 cup to the pan, let it boil. Then afterwards, we shall add the meat to the pan. So I'm just going to let it boil for 10 minutes only in the sauce because I want the sauce to have the goat meat taste. And then I'm going to add some fresh coriander leaves and green leaves and let them simmer on very low heat for like 2 minutes before serving our dish. It's very tasty, it's very yummy. You people, you should try this. I'm off to eat. Hope you join me next time when I'm cooking something delicious. Bye.